All right, y'all know I'm not much of a spindle turner, so it's time to get good. Time to learn it. To learn it. I turned this out of a limb. It was my second turning project besides Cody's bone. And it split, and it lasted about a year. And it just let loose. It can still beat on things. Okay, so this is my mallet that I broke. I just wanted y'all to see why I'm always tripping on, and I preach it over and over again, you know, get the pith out, get the pith out. This was a red oak limb, and I left the pith in it. And you can see this crack radiating out from it. And this took about, oh man, 10 months to dry. It was perfectly solid. And I don't use it that often. I usually use it just for tapping the drive spur in. Didn't take anything at all. And then once that pith decided to let go and the crack started to radiate, it took one tap, clean break right through the pith. So any of y'all that are out there, you know, making these to sell or for yourself, do yourself a favor and don't turn limb wood. I mean, turn limb wood if you want to practice or embrace the crack. But if you need something to be solid, sturdy, and dependable, don't use this. Get the pith out of there. Use larger chunks, cut around the pith, make sure it's out, and still turn it. You know, spindle orientation, but you need to start with bigger stock. But this was just a learning project. This was just fun. And it's not fun anymore. Well, I can still whack stuff with it until I make me a new proper one that doesn't have the pith. All right, thanks friends.